Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Royal Kludge A72. It's a 68% mechanical keyboard with an ergonomic Alice layout that features a few macros and media keys on the left. Priced around $80, there is 3 color options and 3 switches available, and I have the cloudy black version with the Royal Kludge linear cream switches in this video. And if you are subscribed, you can join the giveaway for this keyboard if you are interested. All details and requirements will be in the description below, so do follow all of the steps to join. In the box, there's the user manual booklet, a Type-A to Type-C cable, a switch and keycap puller, 4 extra mechanical switches and a plastic pry tool, a hard plastic protective cover that is custom made for the keyboard, and the A72 keyboard, which weighs around 900 grams or 1.9 pounds with its mostly plastic build. Moving on to the design, the keyboard has a 72-key ergonomic Alice style layout with 3 function keys and the try-mode switch located on the right, 2 indicator lights next to the arrow keys, a touch-sensitive magnetic nameplate that launches the Royal Kludge web-based driver in the middle, and 5 macro keys on the left with some media controls and a volume knob. Besides that, the case has this angular two-tone design with some pretty nice side RGB lighting, an angled front for that ergonomic layout, the Type-C port and 2.4 GHz wireless dongle in the middle on the back, and 4 non-slip feet on the bottom with 2 flip-out ones so you can increase the typing angle of the keyboard. Going on to the other components, the keyboard comes with cherry profile double-shot PBT keycaps that are color matched to the case, Royal Kludge linear cream switches that are pre-looped and has a creamy and clacky sound, plate-mounted stabilizers that are pre-looped as well to reduce any rattle, a FlexCut polycarbonate plate that gives a soft and bouncy typing feel, a gasket-mounted 5-pin hot swap north-facing PCB that has per key RGB, and a 7500 mAh battery that can last over 500 hours with the RGB off. Carrying on to the software, the keyboard is compatible with the Royal Kludge web-based driver. With this, you can set different profiles, remap all of the keys and layers with the functions listed here, which includes the macro keys and the touchpad on top, record new macros or import existing ones, customize the RGB lighting's effects, brightness, speed, sleep timer, and color, switch between work and game mode, and update the firmware and software for the keyboard. Diving into the teardown, the case is held together with clips so a pry tool is needed. With all of the clips open, the top case can be lifted with the plate and PCB still attached. The PCB is connected to the daughter board with a ribbon cable, so you need to disconnect it to release the PCB. To remove the plate and PCB from the top case, there's 3 more cables to be disconnected. These are for the try-mode toggle switch, the media controls and volume knob, and the capacitive touchpad on top. As for the plate and PCB, there's 6 screws holding them together, and with the screws removed, the plate and PCB can be taken apart. So for the sound dampening mods, there's a PET sheet, an IXPE switch pad, and a latex foam in between the plate and PCB. Not only that, there's also a thick piece of foam and silicone in the bottom case to really help dampen the typing noise. On the topic of typing, the keyboard is quite nice to type on as it has a soft and responsive feel. This is made even better when paired with the ergonomic layout as it allows for a comfortable typing experience. Not to mention, it also has 5 programmable macros on the left and a few media keys so you can really access all of the functions easily. As for the typing sound, it has a slightly clacky and creamy sound signature which is just nice in my opinion. Anyway, here is the typing sound test. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Royal Kludge A72. After testing and using the keyboard, I honestly really like it. The ergonomic layout is great for work and gaming, and the additional macros and media keys makes it even more functional. Not only that, the keyboard also supports a web-based driver for easy customization and comes fully packed with mods and features. So if you're looking for an alley-style ergonomic keyboard that's under or around $80, the Royal Kludge A72 is a very unique option. And of course, if you're interested in winning the keyboard for free, do join the giveaway I'm hosting with Royal Kludge, with the full details and requirements in the description below. As usual, everything will be linked in the description as well, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Royal Kludge for the keyboard and the giveaway, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.